read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. My sweet students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Wow, these are colorful, beautiful keys. Let's count with me. After that, I will tell you which number is this. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you count from 10, I am 9 more. Which number is this? What number am I? Look over here. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 8, 18. 10 and 9, 19. If you count from 10, I am 9 more. What number am I? I am number 19. Yes, you are right. Look over here. Here's 10 rupee note and 9 coins. Let's count with me. 10 and 1, 11. 10 and 2, 12. 10 and 3, 13. 10 and 4, 14. 10 and 5, 15. 10 and 6, 16. 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 8, 18. 10 and 9, 19. Like this. It's story time. After story, I will tell you how to write number 19. So look over here. Story of number 19. 19 keys were hanging on a hook. They were easy to reach. The hook kept the keys organized. Now I will tell you how to write number 19. Start from the dot, come straight down. It will make number 1. Start from the dot, make semicircle, go up, come straight down. It will make number 9. 10 and 9, 19. 10 and 9, 19. This is number 19. Now, we will go outside for nature walk and count the plants. Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. 19 plants. I hope so you all enjoyed. You know how to count it, how to identify number 19 and how to write it. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.